So hello everybody, I am the Tech Pace and today I am going to show you how you can make a signature logo like this one on the screen. So guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, firstly we'll open PixelLab, then we'll select the text, go to the A option, scroll down till the font and select the font which I'll provide you down below in the description, and we'll search for Have Heart. So I'm just going to search Have and select the first font which is Have Heart 1. After that you click on edit and put your text. So I'm just going to put paste for this video and click on OK. After that go to the size option and increase it to the full. So place it like that. After that add new text, click on the edit option and put any letter you like. So I'm just gonna put Y and click on OK. After that what you'll do is you just scroll down till size and make sure it's the full. Also what you'll do is you go to the font option, also search Have again and click on next and choose the Have Art Swash option and just put it like here. You select your text layer and also check for the padding option. So I'm just gonna increase the padding as you can see here, and also towards the left and right. So okay, I'm just gonna place it like that, and there the signature looks cool. I'm gonna go with the two boxes, hit on transparent and hit on the three dots and export image and then save to gallery. Guys, meet me in Photoshop Touch. So guys, when you open Photoshop Touch, click on the first plus layer and just go and create a canvas which is 1000 by 1000. So I'm just gonna select the height and I'm gonna put 1000. Click on OK and you'll get a canvas like that one. Now plus and then go to photo layer. Then you can just go to the PixelLab folder and add the logo you designed. So yeah, somewhere like that. So I'm gonna transform it so it is in the center. So yeah, it's in the center now. Now click on the plus layer and go to photo layer. After that what you'll do is go and add a cool background wallpaper, some kind of that. So I'm just gonna go and add a cool one. So let me check. I think this one will look pretty good. So I'm just gonna add this and I'm just gonna make it big so it looks quite cool. So here it is. Now I'm just gonna put it like that and I'm gonna click on take. Now make sure it's below it. Now select the empty layer and just first select it with the help of magic wand tool and go to fill and stroke. Make sure it's on stroke option and add kind of a frame. So when you have done that, just deselect by clicking anywhere else than the canvas area. Now go to the image layer and go to Gaussian blur and add a Gaussian blur somewhere like that. So I'm just gonna increase it so it looks cool. I'm also gonna add some kind of bevel effect. I'm gonna add some kind of saturation effect so it looks a little vibrant. After that what you'll do is you go to this frame layer, click on the stack option and just make sure the blend mode is overlay so it gives this kind of cool effect. So hit the back option, click on save, click on this option, save to gallery and OK. So guys, you have successfully made this signature logo. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have not subscribed to Tech Base yet, then please do subscribe guys. Thanks.